How to fix Messenger not opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, go a step back and then toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. As in order to use the Messenger application, it is really important to be using a proper working internet connection. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and then go ahead and search for Messenger and make sure that the Messenger application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app, as it is really important to use the latest version of the application to be able to use the app smoothly. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and navigate to the Messenger option and then offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and navigate to the Messenger application. Here, tap hold on the Messenger application and then tap on the remove app option and then on delete app. Delete the Messenger application and then reinstall it from your app store again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be that the server is down. So open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Messenger server status and see if the server is down. And if the server is actually down, then you might need to simply wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Messenger not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.